I'm going to show you how to do a screen replacement on an Asus U53JC laptop computer. As you can see here, this is what happens when you drop the laptop. It does not look good. So we're going to be doing a screen replacement. I got the screen from screencountry.com. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to shut down your computer. Okay, it's fully shut down. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to extend the monitors back as far as it will go, and in the bottom left and right corners you're going to see little rubber bumpers. You're going to want to remove those. You can do that just with the small flathead screwdriver, and I already have mine removed. And that's going to expose two screws, and you want to remove those. It's a small Phillips screwdriver, probably the smallest one you can find. You want to set those aside. Now the hardest part of this is removing the outer bezel without damaging it. There's small plastic clips on the inside of the bezel. The easiest way to remove this, the way that I found, is just using a small flathead screwdriver and just finding a spot and just prying it from the back of the laptop. So I'm just going to find an area that has a little opening. And once you get all the clips undone, it should just come off in one big piece. You can set that aside. And the screen is held into place by 4 screws. You have 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And they're different size screws, so you're going to want to make sure you set them aside and remember where you took them from. Once you have all the screws removed, the monitor should just come right out of place. You can just lightly set that down. And you'll see that it's attached here by this one cable. And there's a piece of tape that's holding it down. Just want to unlift that tape. And then just slide the connector straight back. And it should just unpin right from it. And you can undo this tape here just to free this. I'm just going to stick it there to hold it. So now we have just successfully removed our old screen. I'm going to set that aside. And now I'm going to grab my new screen I got from screencountry.com. Got a protective covering on it. Remove that. First thing you want to do is go ahead and just connect that connector back to it. Should just slide right back in. Make sure it's clicked in all the way, and go ahead and secure that piece of tape right back down. And you want to put the screen into place. And just to check, it looks beautiful. Wasn't damaged during shipping. Turn it back off there. And now we're just going to refasten the screws. Then you want to take your bezel, you want to go ahead and line it up again with these bottom screw holes. And you just want to go all the way around and make sure it's lined up and just snap it back into place. Once it's fastened, we can go ahead and put the screws back in. And there you go. That's how you replace the screen on an Asus U53JC laptop computer.